I'm going to attempt to demonstrate how to edit using Photos, which is installed automatically on my computer. I'm not certain if it's installed for sure on the Chromebooks, I believe so, but it's similar to many other editing software. So I'm going to be sharing my screen, and hopefully this will help to clear things up. And if this incredibly untech savvy individual can figure it out, I imagine that you all will be much more competent at it yourselves. So without further ado, let me share my screen. Okay, so I'm going to first go to the photo app, and I am going to import from my camera roll. So I will select my folder, or rather, you found folders with pictures. Oh, so I don't want pictures, I want, oh, not now. New video project. Add media to get started. And I will just name this demo, video editing. Very balance. Okay. Now adding from this PC, it's in my camera roll. So it would be under, here we go. And I happen to know that I am going, so I'm going to place it in the storyboard, and I'm going to be shortening the video, currently 1:58, but I am going to immediately trim it, starting it at 45 seconds. And ending it about 1:23 or 4. 1:25, there we go. So the clip I have is 39 seconds, 39.3 seconds. And down here on the storyboard, that is what I've got. So let's see. I have never added any type of text or 3D effects or anything, but might as well try it out. Let's see what we've got. We'll keep it all simple. And I would love to, let's see, put it right in the center. And I'm wondering if, because the little cursor is here at the end, if that's where it will add the text. I honestly don't know. Oh no, look at that. As soon as I began typing, it went to the beginning. Horton elementary balance demonstrated by Mona Phillips. All right. Done. There's already background music. Now, I wonder how to add text at the end. So this is a title card. So maybe I should remove, let me see, what is this, undo? Oh, that rotate, boo. All right, so I guess I'll just undo that edit and I'll add a title card. And in that, I should be able to edit the card. Text, there we go. Title will be Horton elementary balance demonstrated by Melinda Phillips. There we go. And now there's a title card. I wonder if I can also put one at the end. I can. And I'll just put the simple message. So I'm right clicking, have this menu, drop down menu, the option to edit. Text, I'll just say thank you for watching. Constructive criticism, welcome. Welcomed. Okay. I should just say is welcome. Goodness, the English language. Here we go. Done. Okay, so now I have this little video. It's now 45 seconds with the 3-second title cards in each. And the next thing would be to finish the video so it can process. Well, we want it high quality. Other options, it would be medium or low. Hardware accelerated encoding. I remember looking at some of the other tutorials for video editing and encoding. I honestly am not even entirely sure what that means as far as encoding, but apparently in order for it to be read in other apps, other software, it needs to be encoded. I guess that makes it a WAV file or an MP4 or MP3 or what have you. That is what I believe it is. All right. So finished and it's showing me. Okay, so it looks good. Let's see, show it in the folder. Yes, I need to know where it is. Okay, so it is in users, pictures, saved pictures, which I also have pinned to quick access. So the next step would be to upload it. Pause this. I'm actually recording a video, Miss Bell. Hi. You want to say hi? All right. One moment, YouTube. So once you're signed into your channel, you would go under this little video icon where it says create, little plus sign. When you hover over it, it says create, and you would upload the video. Select the files and it will take you into your various video files, which I just saw that mine is under saved pictures and demo video, elementary balance. That is what I saved it as. Now it will, if there's music, you will need to indicate that you do not own the copyrights in order for your video to not be blocked. I should just say the rights to this music. This is kind of my standard message that I always say. And so far it's been effective at not having my music be blocked. Scrolling down a bit, I don't usually worry about a thumbnail, but if you wanted a certain pretty image, you can always go ahead and do that. Now, playlists, I like to save information. I like to have quick access to it. So I usually will try and save any videos I have into one or more playlists so I know where to find them. Unfortunately, you have to indicate that it's not made for kids, otherwise you won't be allowed to have a playlist. So it's not made for kids. If you're doing a video, it is made for me. So there you go. This little double rectangle here copies the video link so that you can save in any place that you might want to insert it or what have you. You can also edit the title of it up top here. So demo video editing, elementary balance, Horton elementary balance. Okay. I usually just skip this because I'm not so big on YouTube that I have an end screen or any ads or anything. And this is where you keep your privacy. So I always do unlisted so that you won't need special permissions, but that no one can see it unless they have this unique link. I don't make it public, and I don't necessarily recommend that you make your videos public unless you want the whole world to have access to it. So unlisted is usually the safest bet to ensure that the people who need to see it have access. And then you just save and it processes. Again, you can get that copy link here if you like. And I am simply going to save it for our, resources today. Pop that right in, right into here, demo. So hopefully that was helpful for you. You can upload the original video the same way as the edited one. I just wanted to take you through the full process on my end, and hopefully that is of some benefit to you. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns.